Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I have two things to show you. So this is the vintage Rolodex. Remember this one? I said I was going to come on here and show you one more version. Super fun version. All right, this is the She Sparkles paper collection. You can find this in my shop in both the hard copy and the digital. So remember, I was going to show you the spinning version of the Rolodex. Well, here it is, my friends. Look at how fun is this. It's just so much fun. I can't stop spinning it. I could just spin this all day long. So, look at how cute the embellishments in this She Sparkles paper collection. Look at how cute. So, of course, when you put something that is sticking out a lot, but I just love that variation in height, I can deal with a corner or two that I have to fix, right? You get a little bit of a bend here and there, but still all good for me. But look at how cute this is, guys. Look at this. So She Sparkles paper collection, the vintage Rolodex. Look at how cute. I also see like the unicorn's horn, but it's fine. Just straighten it out. I do have a tip for this though, and I'll share that with you when I show you this. All right, so it's an extra step, but so worth it. Here is the file folder cut out of acetate. So let me come here to this side ensemble here. So I'm going to have, and this is the first one, some Rolodex bundles in my shop. All right, like for instance, this one is a pocket. Here we have an envelope. I will link you down below to the purchase options in the description box, to the vintage Rolodex, and to the bundles. So we've got this file folder. So here's a file folder Rolodex card, and look at how cute cut in oh no, that's okay. So here is the envelope cut out of acetate. All right, that's the envelope I showed you. Look at how cute this is. All right, so that's this envelope. And these are all SVG files. You get the SVG file for the matting and the base. All right. So, of course, these go in here. Look at how cute that is. Oh, my gosh. So, as I call these out, I will put them. All right. So, here's a file folder, and here's a file folder cut out of acetate. Okay. So, let's put this one. Let's put this one right here. All right, and then we've got a flower, which would be super cute with an embellishment, not an embellishment, a photo mat just tucking out of here. Right, there's that, the flower. Then I did a shaker for you guys. The base is acetate. All right, so here's the tip. If something's gonna hang over your Rolodex, cut it out of the base out of acetate. All right, that way when it catches, the acetate has a recall where it just automatically remembers. It really doesn't crease unless you physically go in there and crease it, right? It's not going to crease if it gets caught right here on this back panel. You see that? I'm doing this on purpose so you can see it. Right, so it has a recall, period. All right, so it's perfect for a project like this, and it just snaps in there and you don't have to worry about it. Like for instance, here is the shaker cupcake. You want to put that in there as well, and this one, look at that, will catch, but because it's got that acetate in there, it has that memory recall. Oh, this one failed, but you get what I'm saying, right? And then we've got this. This is the doily. So this is all in the bundle, okay, in the She Sparkles bundle, and I will link you below. All right, and this came out of my little flower because I just tucked it in there. Then we have the handbag. Look at this handbag. How cute. So super duper cute on this little handbag. Look at that. How adorable. Did I glue my thing down? I sure did. I forgot about my little closure, and I put my giant bow on the front. So there you go. Look at how adorable. So you fold, right? And you don't have to put the bow, of course. This is entirely up to you. But you fold it and then you pull it through. And look at how cute. Of course, you could put a magnet if you want to. But I'm just in love with paper clips in this project, so I put the paper clips here. And then we have this little peekaboo window file, right? You can put your photo right in through there, but I've already glued it shut. So where am I putting this one? Let's put this one right here. So I am just in love with this project. So in the tutorial for the vintage Rolodex, okay, make sure that they're in there. You will get all of the files to make the vintage Rolodex. Look at how stinking cute this is. With the spinner and without the spinner, okay, where it's stationary. Let me show you the stationary one very quickly. All right, so here is my original one, and this one doesn't move. And the reason why I created this stationary one is for those who do not have a cutting machine, right? So this is all done with squares, right? It's easy to cut a square by hand than it would be to cut a circle. The one that spins, it's all circles, right? So you need a cutting machine to cut circles, okay? So just remember that. And I haven't glued these all in, so they're going to kind of pop out. So I have to go back in and glue a bunch of these in. But my goodness, guys, look at this, how absolutely adorable this is. So you could get the vintage Rolodex. You get both of the tutorials for the stationary spindle here and for the one that spins, okay? And you also get the files for the Rolodex card, okay? Now, if you want the fancy schmancy Rolodex cards, that's in the She Sparkles Rolodex card bundle. And again, I will link you down below. And of course, the paper collection if you want to pick that up. I just, look at these, how fabulous these are. I just love them. The shaker. So yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to share this with you all. How absolutely fun this is. This little envelope out of the acetate is dynamite. So think about the bonus of using the acetate so that your pieces will kind of just bounce back if you've got some catching, if you want to do the whole thing, you know, hanging over the way I've got it done. But man, guys, this is just such a fun project. Look at this. Look at how fun this is. Such a fun and unique project. And I take you through the process, guys, step by step by step. I hope you love it. Let me know what you think about the project. I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Again, one more paper clip, something else I have to glue down. Look how cute. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.